Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make reel on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe to the channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app, then tap at the plus and select reel. That's where we can create our reel. First of all, we need to choose whatever we want to create. Our camera and record a reel or use some photo or video from our camera roll. Let's say I want to use some picture, let it be that one. We can just tap on it and add. After that we will be able to add audio. We can add music. In that way, to do that, it just tap at plus sign. Also, if you tap at audio, we can also add voiceover for the reel. So we can tap right here and then we can position that playback marker, and then in that way we can add voiceover to our reel. After that we can write from here, change volume level for our song and for voiceover, just like that. Then if you would like to add some text, we can easily do some just and are it change text size, change of that color of this text. Also we can change, also we can add that highlight effect and change the alignment. After that we can place it somewhere on our reel, and then we can add some effect just like that, just to drag it left or right. Try to use different effect. I like that one, why not? Also we can add some stickers here. Let's say I want to add weather sticker. I can just stop right here. I can tap at sticker to change it style. I can also scale it a bit, and then I can move it around to place somewhere on our reel. After that we can just share this reel with our followers. To do that, tap at next and some description for that reel. If you want to, also you can set privacy for the reel, top right here, and then we can escape it to public. Except we can tap right here and select those users whom we don't want to share that reel with and tap at done. Or we can just set all the public or friends. After that we can tap at set as default audience to save these audience settings for our future reel. I am just going to tap at down. Also we can tag someone. Just select those users whom you want to tag and tap at tag person. Then choose if you would like to share this reel on Instagram and is going to turn it off. And then all you have to do is just tap at share now. So by this way you can make reel on Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.